Welcome to my channel. My English improvement day by day. I upload my videos. Any mistakes and feedback, comment by my comment box. Okay, I started first reading first video. Please bless me, my English improvement and my channel success. Thank you, friends. I will start. First story I read. Nin wants to head sorry. Nin wants to get rest. Today is Nin's first day of school, but Nin cannot put on her uniform by herself. She runs to her mother for help. Mama, will you help me put on my uniform? Asked Nin. I will help when I finish cooking, says Ma. Nin runs outside to find someone else. Who can who can help? Papa, will you help me put on my uniform? Asks Nin. I will help you when I finish feeding the ducks, says Papa. Grandpa, will you help me put on my uniform? Asked Nin. I am talking kettles to the field. I will I help I will help you when I come back, says Grandpa. Grandma, I will help you. Sorry, will you help me put on my uniform? Asked Nin. I will help you once I finish swimming leaves from the yard, says Grandma. Brother Laha, will you help me put on my uniform? Asks Nin. I will you when I finish drawing water from the wall, says Brother Laha. No, one can help you, thinks Nin sadly. Everyone is so busy. Nin decided to put on her uniform herself. First it is inside out, then the back is in the front. And then Nin tries to put on her shoes. Nin looks in the mirror. Oh no, her uniform is here wrong. Her family looks at her and jiggles. I will help you, says Ma. We will also help you, say brother Laha and Papa. Now, Nins is finally ready for school. Have a great first day in Nin. My first day video making and reading English, how to improve, how to mistakes. Please uh, put on comments, comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.